Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Kawasaki Eliminator. Kawasaki has set the motorcycle world abuzz with the unveiling of its latest offering, the Eliminator Cruiser, slated for release in 2025. This announcement marks Kawasaki's bold re-entry into the cruiser segment, combining classic cruiser styling with modern engineering innovations to appeal to riders seeking both performance and distinctive design. The Kawasaki Eliminator 2025 promises a potent riding experience powered by a robust 900 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Designed for versatility, the engine delivers impressive torque and smooth acceleration, making it suitable for both leisurely cruises and spirited rides on open highways. Advanced fuel injection technology ensures optimal fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, aligning with Kawasaki's commitment to sustainability. We are excited to reintroduce the Eliminator, a motorcycle that embodies Kawasaki's spirit of innovation and performance, said Kenji Tanaka, president of Kawasaki Motorcycle and Engine Company. With its unique blend of power, style, and advanced features, the Eliminator is set to redefine expectations in the cruiser motorcycle market. Visually striking, the Kawasaki Eliminator features a muscular stance complemented by modern design elements and premium finishes. The bike's ergonomic layout ensures rider comfort, with a low seat height and forward-set foot pegs providing a relaxed riding position ideal for long journeys. Chrome accents and distinctive bodywork add to the cruiser's appeal, combining nostalgia with contemporary aesthetics. Safety features are paramount in the Eliminator, with Kawasaki equipping the motorcycle with advanced rider aids such as traction control and ABS braking as standard. A digital instrument cluster provides essential ride information at a glance, while optional connectivity features allow riders to integrate their smartphones seamlessly. Industry experts have applauded Kawasaki's strategic move with the Eliminator, noting its potential to attract a diverse audience of riders looking for a blend of performance and style. The Kawasaki Eliminator fills a niche in the cruiser market with its balanced approach to power and comfort, remarked motorcycle journalist Michael Johnson. Its competitive pricing and robust features make it a compelling choice for riders seeking a modern cruiser with a touch of Kawasaki's racing heritage. Anticipation among motorcycle enthusiasts is high as they await the official release of the Kawasaki Eliminator in 2025. With its combination of striking design, advanced technology, and Kawasaki's reputation for reliability, the Eliminator aims to carve out a distinct identity in the competitive cruiser motorcycle segment, reinforcing Kawasaki's position as a leader in innovative two-wheel transportation.